This is a 2009 Epic 22 center console, and what you're seeing is 3 years of complete neglect. Left untouched on a lift in the brutal Florida sun, this boat has endured 3 hurricanes without a single wash or cover. The result? Severe oxidation across every inch. The gel coat has been punished so badly, it's lost all its shine, not even a trace of gloss remains. The hull. So chalky and dry, it leaves white dust all over the operator's hands, a clear sign of UV damage and a surface that's breaking down. Dirt, debris, spiderwebs, and grime have taken over the deck and compartments. This is what happens when a boat is forgotten, and this is where we come in. Given the level of damage, this boat didn't just need a polish, it needed a full multi-stage compounding, and ideally, a wet sanding to properly restore the gel coat. Not only was the hull heavily oxidized, but the areas above the rub rail and across the entire deck were in equally poor condition, caked with grime and surface degradation. Still, the owner requested only a basic, single-step oxidation removal. We clearly advised this would not be sufficient for a full restoration, but we honored the request and performed the work with the highest level of professionalism. Under normal conditions, a complete detail on a 22-foot center console is typically a one-person job completed in under a day. In this case, it took over 12 man-hours to complete, yet we respected the original quote. That's a testament to how much we care about our customers. We tailor our services to meet their needs, budgets, and preferences, and we're always transparent about expected results before starting any job.
Treasures lost will soon appear. We're bound by the promise we made. Safeguard the waters, never fade. Echoing the call of ancient lore, we tread softly upon the ocean floor.
The boat is now clean and visibly shiny, far from perfect, but a dramatic improvement from where it started. While the result doesn't meet our own high standards for a full restoration, we're proud of what we achieved within the limits of the requested service. Every surface has been treated with care, and to protect the revived gel coat, we applied a high-quality marine sealant with strong UV protection. This will help shield the boat from the harsh Florida sun in the months ahead, extending the life of the work we've done.